So it's really important that we teach our children how to fully express how they're feeling. And obviously it can be very difficult whenever they're new to this. Once kids have a very strong understanding, we do have an expectation that they can express themselves. Maybe they'll take a card and they can say, I'm angry, I'm unhappy, I'm furious. That's a strong level of emotional granularity. But in the very beginning, we have to remember that our kids do not have a rich vocabulary of emotions, so we try to support them. We try to say things like this: oh, I see that you're crying. Do you feel sad? Do you feel angry? Do you feel furious? Now, part of this is a way for us to actually gauge how they're feeling so that we can find a strategy to support them, especially if they're crying. But it's also to introduce them to the different vocabularies, because the more we practice this, the more they will be able to understand it and use it. I was so excited the other day when one of our young kids, about 3.5 years old, they told me that it was very cute. They were stomping their feet and they said, I am furious. Oh, it was so beautiful. Now obviously if they're furious, it means we need to support them. But I also had joy in my heart when I saw this, because it means that the kid is really understanding emotional granularity and able to express himself in a really clear way. Now actually after that happened, it turned out they were furious because someone had taken their toys, but because they were able to express themselves in a very clear way, instead of yelling, instead of crying, but to express that they were furious, it was very easy for me to be able to give them the support that they needed.